God. Oh. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Alcara YouTube channel. Again on a travel vlog. We are going through Gorbandar Road again. So the time is 8:50 a.m. and it's very cold, to be honest. Even though the temperature in the bike shows 20 degrees Celsius, I feel, yeah, it's approximately 20. I feel it's very cool. I had to wear my winter liner on so that I can, get a little bit warmed up. Again, we are traveling for the purpose of work, and here we go. Last vlog also was mostly about Gorbandar Road. Oh my god, where we were talking about the development and infrastructural improvement of Gorbandar Road, which we found quite amusing, to be honest. Like, the conditions since last time has been improved quite very much. Did not expect this. What is this all about? The best advantage of having a bike over here. Oh, was it a signal? Oh no. It is not the signal, unfortunately. क्या हुआ? There is some sort of jam up ahead. Is there construction work going on again? I looked at him twice and he didn't say anything, so I just moved on. I mean, I'm sure what the situation is right over here. Oh. Traffic has moved by a bit. Finally, we get to leave, I must say. I'm not sure what the jam was all about. Okay, so we just got out of the very trafficy situation, you might say. And as we are coming through, I can see that the line which is going back to Vasai and Mira Road is like Fountain Road is blocked. I mean, I did not see any road works. Maybe because of lack of my oversight or something, but I don't know. Probably some accident or anything. Don't get to see anything properly. Now because of that unpredicted outcome, we are late. Let's see if we can make up for the time we lost. So we have almost reached Kalyan, and last two vlogs भी Kalyan के ऊपर ही बने रहेंगे. So just so you know, I don't work in Kalyan. Okay, and I don't commit this every weekend, but sometimes I do have to, and makes it unavoidable. Also, you must be wondering, like, अभी तक ये सिर्फ commute का वीडियो डाल रहा है. Am I not posting travel vlogs rather than this commute vlogs? So right now I have a plan for a travel, a long ride, but there will be still time for that. But of course, I will surely go on a long ride very, very soon. And before that, we'll probably have a short ride as well. Because you always go on a short ride. I am a part of a very good Himalayan only bike riding group. and we go rides to almost regularly. So काम हो गया है, अभी खाना का टाइम है. इवन तो घर जाके खाना खाना था, but still we don't have much of an option क्योंकि बहुत लेट हो चुका है. Okay, all work is done, lunch is done. Now heading back towards home. Even though the temperature right now is like decently high, it's almost showing 33 degrees and the time is 2:55. I barely can see my screen right now. Actually, the story behind the screen is quite interesting. During rain, the daylight sensor over here, it got covered in fog or something, I believe, and it's not able to sense the light from the sun. And that is the reason why now it's not switching to that white theme during the sunlight. I don't know how long has it been. I have, the warranty is approved. That's what the service center people told me. The warranty for the new screen is approved, but the screen has not arrived yet. The display setting, entire display portion has not arrived yet. I had contacted them like in 7 days, 15 days, and then a month. And after that, I stopped contacting them because I barely used to go for any ride. I did not feel the need to, leave my work and, keep on calling them. And this is a problem with almost all Royal Enfields, I feel. If you claim for warranty, they might not have a part, and they'll probably get the part from somewhere. They will fix the issue, but the absurd amount of time they require is just makes it not worth it. Even this, I was promised that my thing will get replaced in warranty. Even when I asked for an update, they said the warranty is very much approved. There's no doubt about it. They said the warranty is approved, but the part has not arrived yet. I should overtake this bus, shouldn't I? How fast is this bus going? Right. Yeah, now because of that, I have to, completely forget that I have a display on me. And during peak sunlight, I barely can see my phone, and I can't even see my display. So if I have to navigate in the sunlight, I either keep my phone inside, connected to Bluetooth, and listen to the directions from Google Maps, and that's how I guess where I am going, what direction I have to go in. To all the bike enthusiasts out there, oh my god, I have a Harley in front of me, and oh my god, the melody it leaves. Yeah, I'm not sure what model it is. I've never seen anything like this before. Do let me know in the comment section, guys. I'm pretty sure this guy is going to enter Thane, and maybe if we see him in the signal, we might be able to talk to him. So we almost there, just like another 4 kilometers, and then we'll reach home. Oh, but this last 4 kilometers, it's not like this all traffic. It's just like little traffic, but then truck traffic. And I just passed Gorbandar. There was huge traffic jam, only because there was 2 trucks which were going very slow on the road and side by side. So they were both blocking the entire road. Other than that, there was absolutely no traffic on a Sunday. We have finally made it to, oh my god. Was not expecting this at all. I'll have to cut this out.